Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Imagine AI as a really smart helper that can learn from data to do amazing things, like recognize faces or recommend movies. Traditionally, most AI brains live in one very powerful central computer or a few big servers in a single data center. Think of it like a single super genius brain trying to solve all the world's problems from one spot. While powerful, this one big brain approach has downsides. What if that single supercomputer breaks down? Everything stops. That's a single point of failure. Also, imagine all your personal data going to that one brain. Privacy becomes a huge concern. And making that single brain infinitely bigger to handle more tasks can be incredibly difficult and expensive. It's like trying to make one person manage a million tasks perfectly. This is where decentralized AI comes in. Instead of one giant brain, imagine many smaller, smart, mini brains working together, each contributing a piece of the puzzle. These mini brains don't all have to be in the same place. They can be spread out across many different computers, devices, or locations. Think of it like a team of friends collaboratively building a complex Lego castle, rather than one master builder doing it all. In decentralized AI, each mini brain or node might handle a small part of the problem. For example, it could process a specific piece of data, learn a small detail, or make a localized decision. They then communicate with each other, sharing their insights or partial solutions to achieve a bigger goal. As a developer, you're building systems where components communicate and collaborate, rather than a single, monolithic application. One of the biggest advantages is robustness. If one mini brain decides to take a coffee break, or simply fails, the others can pick up the slack without the whole system collapsing. There's no single point of failure. This makes the overall AI system incredibly reliable and hard to shut down. Similar to how an ant colony keeps functioning even if a few ants get lost. Decentralized AI is also super scalable. You can easily add more mini brains to handle more work without overhauling the entire system. Just add more friends to the Lego building team. And for privacy, data can often be processed closer to its source, sharing only aggregated results or insights, not raw, sensitive information. This is great for keeping personal data private, like having friends share only the finished Lego piece, not the details of how they built their part. You'll find decentralized AI in things like AI on your phone, edge AI, blockchain applications, Web3, and collaborative research where multiple organizations need to share insights without sharing raw data. As a developer, understanding decentralized AI means you can build more robust, scalable, and privacy-respecting intelligent systems. It opens up new ways to design and deploy AI solutions for a more secure and efficient future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.